Tom wakes up in the middle of broken furniture and spilled milk. He blames Jerry for everything and starts planning his revenge. Tom builds a super trap machine full of springs, ropes, and a giant net. But Jerry, being clever, sneaks behind and switches the buttons. As soon as Tom presses the red button, boom! The trap catches Tom himself. He's hanging upside down, spinning like a fan. Jerry laughs hard that he falls into a bowl of jelly. Both of them start slipping, sliding, and the whole kitchen turns into a jelly disco. Finally, the owner walks in, sees the mess, and shouts, "Tom!" Tom hides behind the fridge, and Jerry waves goodbye, holding a tiny flag saying, "House disaster continued."